Today we're going to be installing the Downforce Solutions rear diffuser for my wife's 2020 Honda Civic. So right here I just got it mocked up. It comes with a couple pre-drilled holes, but the rest of the holes I'm going to have to drill myself. So yeah, this is it.
But yeah, now
pretty sick.
He only wanted to be like
She went with the aggressive type. I have one on mine, also Downforce Solutions. Mine is not as aggressive. You can see right there. And yeah, we're gonna go through this install process together. I'm gonna hand my camera to my wife, and she's gonna do the recording. So once we figure out where the placement is kind of gonna be, then I'm gonna look at where to install or drill the hose. There's a couple of spots that have little clips underneath the car, and I'll show you right now. So if you come in a little closer, then you can see where I'm trying to line up the clips with.
Oh yeah.
And that's Steve's car over there getting detailed. Make sure to follow him. 6-gear photography and Flat Life.
Flat for life.
Flat for life on Instagram. But yeah, so we're gonna pre-drill some holes here. Hopefully they line up, and we'll get this side installed and then do the same to the other side. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use the furthest clip over here towards the mud flap, and that's where I'm gonna drill my hole so that I could at least.
It's like no focus.
Started.
Ooh. Look who's gracing us with their present.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Is it on?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's on. I got him. Stay true flow, right? That's Steve. Bella.
That didn't feel good, did it?
That hurt. Ow.
You okay?
Oh shit, I'm bleeding.
Are you? It didn't look like it. It must be under your hairline.
Let me see. Yeah, be careful.
So that's why you don't get aggressive diffusers on your car.
That's the main reason you get an aggressive diffuser in your car. Keep all the thoughts away.
Oh, that's gotta be my wrap.
Yep.
This is the thought be gone diffuser.
Alright.
That's what Mindy's shin will look like later.
Rough?
You know what, Steve? That's gonna be your shin. I bet you're gonna be the first one to hit it.
Definitely not.
Or I could just back up into you.
There, that might work.
I'm just kidding. us with his presents.
I thought I was gone for good. I thought they weren't gonna let me back. What's going on, everybody?
How are you?
Good, good. What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
How are you? How are you?
This is my brother Kevin.
Good. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Don't hit your head on that.
I want to get injured. Damn, look at the Steve Mobile. Looking clean. Oh, yeah, I have your stickers.
That's probably cleaner
What are you
than
doing?
it was
Are
the
you
day I bought
vlogging?
it.
Yeah, man.
There's that sucker.
Thank you.
Damn, you're in a diffuser now?
Yeah, look at that.
Must be nice.
Shin destroyer.
The first one to go is Steve.
I was the first one to go.
Oh, his head.
Cut his head on it already.
Oh, you already did?
Yeah.
Oh.
The guy told me, like, he gave me a stack of them. He's like, here, next time you have something that's for delivery, just sign it, stick it on the door the day that I'm supposed to deliver it.
Yeah.
And I'll leave it there because I'll have your signature. I'm like, cool. He goes, you don't have to wait that extra day.
Yeah, no, they haven't done that for me yet. But we'll see. Hopefully no problems today. Hopefully.
I think I have enough water for everybody.
No? Oh.
Is that your friend, Daniel?
He wants to be.
He wants to be.
He can't hang with us. You can't sit with us.
He didn't even notice us when we went that way.
Where's the boss, man?
Hey, where's the girlfriend that we're gonna meet her today?
What girlfriend? What are you talking about?
Your girlfriend's not coming? What girlfriend? What's up, buddy? How are you? Yeah, I thought you were bringing the girlfriend today.
Let's see the bags. Air up, air out.
Don't take lessons from David. Air that thing down.
Do it. So I should be blogging, but I'm getting distracted. Hello. Hello.
I'm gonna witness it. Yeah. I haven't got to see it air out yet.
Oh. Now pick it back up.
Close your door.
Wow. Must be nice to be rich.
Yeah, I saw it. I didn't send anybody that one. That's a different one. That's a different one.
She wanted to take a shower this morning.
Oh, go to the shower.
Well, they do it different ways. Like some people squirt them with a tour bottle.
Taking her own pictures? She's like, you're going too slow with the pictures. Is this a good position or not? God, I love you. That's what she was, dude.
Don't do crack.
She's like, damn. Oh, I guess I gotta get to my knee. Yeah, dude. Man, woo, that's energy right here. Man, things gonna fly with that weed.
Oh, there's another one.
What's up, Mark?
Alright, so we're all done. All done bolting it in. Finished product right here.
It was all quiet in the chat, so I'm like, I'm placing Rocket League. And all of a sudden, like 200 messages later, I was like, what the hell? You're playing Rocket League? Oh, yeah.
I'll show you guys the underside. Got some brackets back here holding the back side of it.
Background? No.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.